In today's video, I'm going to be helping out mom and dad with their fun car, their weekend ride. So what we have a problem with the trunk lid switch cover. It's rubber and it's just rotted away. It's notorious on these cars. So we got an aftermarket one and supposedly it's better made and it's going to work much better and last a much longer time.
While you're at it, check out this video. We did an oil change, a full service oil change and engine flush on this same car. All right, let's make mom and dad proud.
Okay, this is it right here. It's underneath that chrome piece. That's where you put your hand under there and engage the switch to open the trunk. And all of them on most Mini Coopers rot out completely. See that? It's gone. There is a switch underneath there that rubber piece actually engages, but it's gone. It's a horrible design. They've had multiple problems with this, with these cars. So I'm going to show you how to get this thing done today. I've got Dad on the job, so we're going to try to show you the best we can. So this is very, very simple. You have 4 screws, okay? They're T20s, that's the size. Just use a regular screwdriver or whatever, but make sure it's a T20 Torx. And we're gonna remove those to take this panel off to get to the switch. Okay, I've got the Dadster on the job here. He's working it well. Just keep going. Don't wanna bore you with unscrewing these 4 screws, but that's really all it is. And plus you have an electrical connection, which when this gets removed, I'm going to show you how to pop that off. This is a super simple job, very easy. I don't know why people pay to have things like this done. I think the part that he got for this, to replace this part, was actually about 14 bucks.
All right, we got the screws out. That's the electrical connection.
Just mess with it a little bit, just squeeze on it and pull it out. The big part on the bottom stays and the small part on the top will release. Yeah, Dad's working it. So, oh, he got it. There it is. Okay, it's released. That's it. Now you want to take this panel, take it somewhere where you can sit down and work on getting the old switch out. And by that, I mean the switch cover. See how it's just, I mean, heat and everything is just, you know, basically melted to the plastic. So you want to be careful because it is plastic. Just use some screwdrivers, pry tools, whatever you can do. Use your fingers, use a pair of needle nose pliers. Just get in there. This does take some time, some concentration. Don't put too much pressure on it. I'd say, you know, honestly, it took about 15 minutes just to get this out. So you just have to have patience and work it. And if you notice when you look down into the hole, you can see the plastic switch that this rubber piece is supposed to engage. Now this is the aftermarket piece. That's it. That little thing in the middle of that is what engages the switch inside of that hole. So we're gonna try to put this on. See the little grooves in the side of this? It just goes into the plastic. Notice my dad injured himself here. Yeah, that's kind of disgusting. Ew. But anyway.
Yeah, I didn't get much footage of us putting it back in, but all you do is put it in like a puzzle.
These are the tools that we used. Simple stuff, sitting in your junk drawer. All right, switch is in. That's it. Just got to work it. It's real simple. It's like a puzzle. But there's nothing to this, folks, other than just a little patience and persistence. Here we go. We have our 4 screws. We're going to put this thing back on and see if it actually works. You get your T20 Torx and just put your panel up there, line it up, start putting your 4 screws in. But actually before we do that, we want to reconnect our electrical connection. Just push it in, it will snap, and then we're good to go.
We've got Dad working it here, screwing things back in, the 4 screws. And once that's finished, we're gonna test it out, see how it works. Man, look at him work that. I'm telling you. I mean, that's next level stuff right there. Oh yeah. So this is actually about the amount of time it's going to take, this little segment here, to screw those 4 screws back in. He's on the job right now doing that, so don't want to bore you with that anymore. All right, it's on. We opened it up. It works better than it did when it was new. It really does, because I think they made it better than the flaws that were involved with it from the factory one. So anyway, yeah, got to shine this up, of course. That's how we do things around here. Clean up after ourselves, clean up our mess. It's got to look good. But anyway, that was super, super simple to do. I hope you guys learned something from that. And don't pay anybody to do this, please.
I want to especially thank all of my subscribers who've gotten me this far, producing this kind of content for you guys. And if you would consider subscribing, that would be greatly appreciated. Hope you got something out of this video. Check out my other videos. We have tons of them. It's mostly Volkswagen, Mini type stuff, German cars, oil changes, spark plugs, cosmetic things. So check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.